AI is everywhere today, powering chatbots, generating images, even writing code. But have you ever wondered what makes this possible? How does AI actually work? And more importantly, can you run it on your own computer? Behind all this AI magic are AI models, which are powerful algorithms trained on massive amounts of data. These models learn patterns, understand human language, and even make decisions. But here's the catch: most of them rely on powerful cloud servers, meaning you are dependent on third party services. So, your application will interact with these models hosted on cloud to send messages in the form of prompts and receive the required response. But this approach has many drawbacks. Since there is network communication, this means slower performance, privacy concerns since your data goes to their servers, and a constant need for an internet connection. Also, using these models requires an API key. Although creating the key is free, but using it for exchanging data will cost you money on use basis. But what if you could run AI models locally on your machine without sending your data to the cloud and use it for free? Yes, it is possible. Here comes Ollama, an open source tool that lets you download and run AI models directly on your PC or laptop. No complex setup, no cloud dependency, just fast, private, and offline AI at your fingertips. To use it, you have to install it on your system. In today's video, we will learn how to run the latest Deepseek R1 AI model on local system using Ollama. So, without any delay, let's get to action. Open your browser and search for Ollama. Here you see, it says run these models locally. Click on download and download it as per your system. If you are using Windows, then you should have Windows 10 and above. This will download an executable file that you need to run and it will install just like any other software. This window will close and you will see a notification about Ollama running on your system. Open command prompt, type Ollama and enter. You will see Ollama commands, which means that it is installed. There are commands to run a model, stop a model, etc. Now back to Ollama website, click on models. Here are all the models. There is DeepSeek R1, there is Llama 3.3, Llama 3.2, Llama 3, and many more. Click on DeepSeek R1. Here are the details on various DeepSeek models. This is the benchmarking guide for different models. Let's use R1 1.5b model. Copy its name. Back to command prompt. Before running a model, you need to pull it on local system. So, Ollama pull, followed by model name. This will start downloading the model. Its size is 1.1 GB. All models will be of different sizes. This will take some time to download. Type Ollama list to list out all the models on your system. Let's run the model using Ollama run command followed by the model name. It is running. Even if you directly run the model without using pull, it will download the model automatically. Ask some questions to it, such as, who are you? It says I am DeepSeek R1. Ask it about Spring Boot. Look how detailed and meaningful response it has produced. Let's ask another question. Another detailed response. So, we now have DeepSeek R1 model running at our local system. You can use it as per your requirement. To quit, type Ctrl D or /by. Remember that running an AI model locally means that it will be consuming your system resources. So, if you type Ollama PS to check the process of the model, it is using 100% of CPU. which will obviously slow down your system. It is all for today. In the next video, we will look at integrating Deepseek in a Spring Boot application. Stay tuned.